We're now entering the digital and broadband service. With telephone and information services becoming outdated in many places, the systems that we used to know are not working anymore, especially in terms of accessibility. And one good example is captioning. Analog captioning versus digital captioning both have very different sides and sets of rules in how to make captioning work through the internet, for example, or through virtual methods. So we recognize that we're already far behind in areas of digital technology. So that is one of the most important things to the deaf and hard of hearing communities, that we have captioning on literally everything. YouTube, captioning on every video that there is. With the 5 founders of COAT, the NAD, the National Association of the Deaf, Communication Services for the Deaf, CSD, the American Council of the Blind, and different groups who were involved, we first came together and realized that the 5 of us would not fly. So what we need to do is win over 300 organizations, and that took 16 months. But the groundwork has started before that time. But the momentum started to pick up when we started to share information with the community, with America, and the American disability community about the importance for people who are blind as well as people who are deaf to get together and push for the bill. And the highlight really was that we got together and we made it happen. What I see is the challenges will be in engineering and in the area of engineering, because as you know, technology changes very rapidly, and we need to make sure that our regulations will keep up with the pace of technology and the technological changes. So in 20 years from now, iPhones are going to be obsolete, and who knows what it will be. It could be some different technology. So how can we make sure that the manufacturers of those products will actually make their products accessible as well to the deaf and blind communities? The wireless industry has come a long way when they saw that the market within the blind and deaf communities are really a large market, and it's an untapped market, even still. So industry has recognized the value of our brand to, for example, Verizon or AT&T or Sprint or what have you. If industry realizes that you'll have a core group of loyal subscribers to whatever plan you have, be it a broadband plan or a product, if you're the first person who produces, you will get the benefits from this specific group. And industry has come very far. I was very pleased with how they responded in a very positive way as far as accessibility issues are related.
Great. For you or others?
Really, I'm looking forward to having an iPad, for example.
Me too.
Because it has a built-in camera. It's a built-in camera. I understand that it's not there yet, but it should be ready soon, from my understanding, in the next couple of months. There's going to be a camera on the iPad, and I can be 100% mobile. So I can go anywhere and communicate anytime I need to. The question is, will the apps be free of any bugs, any glitches? So we'll just have to wait and see on that.
Absolutely.